Hello everyone, welcome back to the Artansteaching. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful phrases in English, what if. You heard it in conversations, interviews and movies, and for a good reason. It's short, simple and incredibly useful. By the end of this lesson, we will know what if really means, how to use it in real life situations, and examples and structures, and a quick quiz at the end to test your understanding. So let's get started. What does what if mean? What if is used to ask about possibilities, imaginary situations, or to express worry, curiosity, or hope. It's often used when we talk about future possibilities, hypothetical situations, giving advice, or expressing fear or concern. So let's break it down step by step. How to use what if? Used to talk about things that might actually happen in the future. The structure will be what if plus subject plus base form, present verb. Okay, for example, what if it rains tomorrow? What if it rains tomorrow? What if she doesn't come to the meeting? What if we miss the train? Here you are asking about something that could really happen. It's not imaginary, right? And now what if plus past simple, which shows unreal or imaginary situations, used to imagine something that's not true or unlikely. The structure will be what if plus subject plus past form of the verb. For example, what if I won the lottery? What if you lived in another country? What if we could fly? This is often used in creative thinking, dreaming, or storytelling, right? And now, what if plus subject plus had plus past participle. It shows past regrets and imagining different outcomes. For example, what if we had never met? This is useful for talking about the past and how it could have been different. Okay? And now, what if plus subject plus verb. It's for suggestions or warnings. Sometimes we use what if to suggest or warn someone. For example, what if you tried a new strategy? What if we asked the teacher for help? What if you lost your passport abroad? Here you are not just asking, you are making someone think before acting. And now let's test your understanding with a short quiz. Okay, please fill in the blanks in the comments below. What if I ... use be verb. Here's a clue. Late for the interview. And second, what if we ... miss is clue. Our flight yesterday. And third, what if you ... live is the clue in Japan. Okay, so you have 15 seconds. Please guess the correct answer. All right, the correct answer is am, missed, lived, right? Okay, so now you know how to use what if like a native speaker. It's perfect for conversations, writing, interviews, and even creative thinking, right? And that's it for today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.